what's the most amazing feeling? To see your bike which is full tank. Hi guys, you can see here I just made a new wallet here out of this tank pad. I think 11:10 right now. Currently we are refueling. Done. So guys, we just took one short break over here. My bike already full है. So we are all set for holiday vision event. So see you there. So we are at Arjun Bhai's farm house. और ये मुझको सांप बुला रहा था. उस दिन यही हेलमेट गिर गया था. तो हम दोनों में एक चीज सिमिलरिटी है कम से कम. सेम हेलमेट LS2 brothers. तो फाइनली सब लोग यहाँ पे आ चुके हैं. सो वी ऑल पार्क्ड आवर बाइक ओवर हियर. तो ऋषि भैया बाकी है बस. हम लोग बहुत जल्दी आए आज. Here is the AGV helmet. And here is the legendary Harley Davidson tour bus. So this is a Mercedes bus which is designed by DC for Harley Davidson. Currently they are using this bus for bus tour for all the Harley Davidson events. देखते हैं आज का दिन कैसा जाता है. So I'm at Arjun Bhaiya's place. So I'm really excited for the Harley Davidson event. I will try to ride the Fat Bob, the Harley Davidson Fat Bob. So मेरे भैया आए हैं. We got 14 riders today. So what we'll do now? So we'll give our license to the Harley Davidson team and धीरे धीरे सब कुछ फ्लो में हो जाएगा. Here is the footage of the Harley Davidson. Harley Davidson, the world of legendary stars from here. So I'm sitting on this bike now. I thought this bike was really heavy, but for some reason मुझे नहीं लग रहा इतना heavy है. Some is much heavier than this one. Let's start there. ये हमारे विप्लव भैया. What's up? कैसे हो? विप्लव भैया. So right now I'm entering this Harley Davidson bus. मैंने देखा था वहाँ पे बैट वगैरह सब. So आप देख सकते हैं this bus is really cool. ये मेरा भाई है. He is his friend. वहाँ पे बैट था. Last day I saw there was one bat over there. जय श्री राम. So look at the console of this bike. So people who are really die-hard fan of cruising, they can choose this bike. पीछे भी एक बाइक है, so ये वो ट्राई करना चाह रहा है. Recording. I don't know why, but every bike of Harley Davidson I'm sitting on, I feel like it's really comfortable. So इधर आ जाएगा. So this is the fat boss. Look at the footrest. It's comfortable. So this is the fat boss. So this one is much heavier than this one. This is the actual riding position. So you guys remember my review of Suzuki Intruder? Intruder is kind of inspired from this type of model. Interesting hammer. This one is for the rear brake. So overall मुझे अच्छा लगा ये बाइक. Overall मुझे भी अच्छा लगा ये बाइक. करण भैया is distracting me. आज PS and करण भैया सब लोग मिलके मुझे वाट लगा रहे हैं. वहाँ पे जाते हैं. चलो. Hi. So it's end of the day. So we had lots of fun today. We rode Harley Davidson. We have Daytona. Sunny Blue Warhead. See you guys. Bye bye. Thank you for watching guys, and do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon and never miss a video from my channel, that is Joy to Ride. If you think the video is good, drop a hit like. If you think the video is not good, drop a dislike. If you want to share thoughts about my video, then comment down below. This is Joy to Ride and I'm signing off. Ride safe and ride hard, and don't forget to wear your helmet and other riding gears. See you next time. Bye bye.